Greetings everyone, Dino with Dino's Dinners. Here is a quick and easy snack you should try. With the green light right there, okay. Pepperoni, Philadelphia, Philadelphia cream cheese on pepperoni. So good. That's a single. Now if you take and put pepperoni on one, and you put one on the top there, you got a mini pepperoni sandwich. Or you can take two of them and throw some on, like that, and shove that in your mouth. Or you could take two, throw some cheese on it, and throw two more on top of that, and go forever. Anyways, really tasty, really easy. If you think of it, tell the others. Ta-ta for now, TTFN. Yeah, what I said. Bye. There's the light. Bye.